Here. Buyer is here.
Yeah.
The one Hawny Dawg is here.
Who is that guy?
Yeah. And trust me, it's a whole lot of persons here today. The Mandeville crew. You said that John is here?
Check out YouTube channel now. John Fishing Adventure people. Yeah man.
Yes man, checking up my peeps, checking up my peeps. So the Mandeville massive here. You know, so once they are here, my people. Yeah, them line are gonna not up right now. Alright, see the Mandeville crew down there. So the all three out today. So people, stay tuned for some good action today.
Phone size that?
You're mad?
How are this? Dark teeth. No, that's mangrove. So they same dark teeth? No. That's about half, not about half course. Hold him, the boss. Hold him. How are that, man? Good fish.
I'm on it, man.
What the funny? What I don't want the funny. Eh? How are that? So
no.
Hold on. See the people? Hold on. Watch out, comes boy. Get the chance fast. Get the chance, son. Hold on, my father. Now we put the whole heap of pressure upon him. Get the chance fast, John.
Can I bring him back a little, man?
Get the chance.
Can stop? He's stuck, you know?
He's stuck.
You get on the bridge?
Hold on.
You know what these people? So big. So huge. Loving turbo.
Hold pressure upon him now. Hold pressure upon him.
Turbo do magic.
Take it. Yeah. Hold it in your hand now. Lock your jog and drop it. Lock your jog. Hold on. Just lock your jog. Bang the jog.
And let her run.
Put the ease off for me. Let her run. Let it go.
I say I star.
Hold him now. Put pressure upon him now. Grab it. Hold it. Hold on. Take time now, man. I braided line and I want to cut. Alright. Me know.
Kill that now, turbo.
Let go. This feel like a stingray, man.
A stingray that, man. What do you know, sir? Stingray?
This, man.
Yeah, man. What do that? Go on side. The t-shirt I say, your line is good, boss.
Take you all over, man.
Hold him, turbo. Hold him, turbo. Kill that. Then what you?
Yeah.
Then what you? The turbo. Then what you? Then what you? The line is good, boss. Hold it, turbo.
Stop it up.
You're nervous.
Yeah, take him back, right hand wheel, I say a fight, so you know. Yeah, it's a right hand.
Action again, action again. All that. Go on, what? Snook. Well, net not dead. No net, I'm trying to take him up. No net.
Give me that. Can't jam up,
Can't jam up, man.
Come back. Take time. Really wheel up.
Come up with it, faster, Uncle. Faster.
Over.
Yeah.
Who that? Who that?
Turbo. Nice one, peeps.
It's a live stream? Live stream thing?
No, no. Win it there.
Where is it?
In it. You remember? Nice one.
Small one, but good fish. Yeah, no. How is that? Glenn is good boss. That's rough.
Don't want broke the rod. Yo, watch out now. Somebody change this to me. Fast. May a quick change. My hand lock for me. Please. Help me fast.
Now hold the line and you come up.
No, hold it. Screw it out fast, John. Screw it fast. Alright, dry it out now. Come. Let me carry up on the bridge. Carry spin it out. Jesus Christ.
You hear that?
Yeah, can I just sit down? But me no want to bust up the whole line. I have to try to get back something. Alright, level. You know, John, me and you know. You never know why you're doing it.
When you say want to see your face?
Yeah.
Come in, Turbo. You can't make him bad up yourself.
The rod, me no want to broke the rod.
I stingray that, man. No question asked.
Go back here on.
I see ball.
I'll take you back. Yeah, this is a big game, right?
Yeah, man, I tell you, say big game them hot, man. That's sea ball. I don't call stingray, they have to see it.
Hold him, Turbo. Hold him. There, sweat, so.
Tell you, pressure, man.
Pressure. Boss, I sweat.
Alright? Zone me.
I stingray, man. Seeing the people. Surface him again. Surface him.
No, man.
Surface him.
Good boss. Alright. Walk him now. See if you can walk him.
Walk it, come here. Come down here.
Great, John.
That is it, on peeps. Make it touch with your arm.
Hey, John, man, what you doing now? Shout up the thing, you know. Hold him, Chin, hold him. Yeah, Chin, say eat him.
One different anyway?
No, man, they want to do it, no.
Heel. Yes, people, like John, you know?
You see what people watch? KFC, you know?
KFC.
You see what people?
Yeah.
Fishing. No fish if you eat. KFC, hungry and bite with. Why is called a nyam way? You see that one here? You know a good mind. We go buy chicken for you, people. We go buy chicken for him. And make sure put on him for him one night here. Just because you don't get one craving here. You don't get. You know all the food. That's still not. And next time out today. But the food they like here, we don't eat this thing like here. But watch out people. You are thinking of mine, because we don't play like I'm hungry, man. So blow man over there, so look at that box. That's supposed to be done.
Blood man one done already, brother.
Supposed to be done right now.
Shell down.
I give them in the city style, you know? For the Causeway.
So Turbo, what you say?
Dog. Hold him. Come now.
Hold him, boss. Hold him.
Hold on, take it right there. Big boy now, big boy now. Big boy now.
Hold him, Turbo. What? Look at Casey at work. Casey at work. Casey at work, Turbo. Casey at work, Turbo. Hold him, boy. Go for it. Hold that, Turbo. Hold that.
Hold on, boy. Hold on.
line is good, boss. A Snook.
Tarpon.
Tarpon, man. Nice boy. Have a walk him turbo, no basket na there. Can grow on them, man.
Reel up. Help me, man, help me now.
Drop this,
Jesus Christ.
This.
The line is good, boss.
Really go.
Yo. KFC, I work, you know? Energy, God. No, you can't use.
No man, that good. Just lift it up over him. Lift it up over him. Lift it up over him. Lift up that over him. Over him. Hey, babes, you just don't need some KFC, you know?
I to work, man. It's working.
Just need some KFC. I say you use yourself now.
No, but him on that television don't eat it.
Alright.
Turbo. That is good, boss. Hold him, turbo. Turbo. That is good, boss. Hold him, turbo. See fish the peeps. Nice Tarpon, you know? See killer ya. Turbo the great. Murderation. Fish dead. One go, Gaffer. One go, you know? Take your time. Hold on. One go. I'm barely. Oh, on it. No, son, just feeling strength. You have to get one and belly or 9 gill. Hold him turbo. John. One go, John. One go. Man, let's slide in the boss. Ah, that is it, my boy. Turbo, Dan. Yo, my G.
Yeah.
Good, sir?
My back, man.
The back. You have to give him a massage later. Same back, him back.
Turn another stern first.
Yeah.
Back, mash up people, you know? No back problem. See, fish are coming now. Come, what's in the fish, my Jenna? Watch out now. The line is good, boy.
Hey, my babes, one more, my babes. Yeah, turbo. Turbo, never come on now, my dog.
Remember your back, my boss. Remember your back.
If you want help, you can talk, you know.
I'm good.
Alright.
Hold him, turbo. What are the name?
Brookie.
I broke it.
And he's good, boss. Make him go on, man. Him have line. Make him go on. Anyway, him want to go, him have line. Make him go on. Do. Him fresh, man. Make him go on, man. Anyway, him want to go. Are you now? We don't know say are you now, turbo now. Whoa!
Yeah, big boy, man.
Big boy. Take line and go on, please.
Yeah, man, them have line, man. Whole line them have.
Real.
Now for game back some line.
Yeah, man, game back some line.
Why specs? Why specs?
60 pound.
Why a leader?
Yeah.
Chub look.
Yeah.
You strike him good?
I mean about 20 times, all the while ago me have strike.
The line is good, boss. The line is good, boss.
Some knows that KFC work.
Yo! You have to talking every day. Yeah, you see that? KFC! Let him on a kill fish.
What you say?
KFC! You get on the video, I see it. When I continue KFC and then fish that dead after.
I didn't know what come in, you know.
You ready to come in it?
Boy, you float up. You float up, man. See what there now, float up, you know.
Hold him, the boss. Hold him, Turbo. He not drop, man. He not drop, man. Hold that Turbo, then. I tell him what that to go come for, brother.
He start floating up.
Start float to it. Yeah, my float in that it, in that Turbo.
Float long time. Yeah, me tell you from what this is. Come like him tail wrap up around the line.
Oh.
That's it.
And him a go, he's not trying to carry himself out more.
People, what a good thing we get KFC. Because that if KFC there, no action will go on. So a good thing.
Well, I can't do the Colonel.
Yeah, I do the Colonel.
What the Colonel put in that chicken?
That too. When the Colonel put night chicken.
Hold him, Turbo.
Nobody all up on the right then? Yeah, I'm not done enough.
Eh?
I'm not done, I see him as to me.
You my done?
That's it for me. I'm tired anymore, man. I play the waiting game.
I play the waiting game. Might have play a game for you.
Come like that.
Fire. One time I touch the phone.
Yeah, for real.
Oh God, man. I'm dead, I know, man.
Big boy on a Turbo?
Yeah, man.
I'm a float, man. He's dead, man.
It's like something that I'm with that. Yeah. Experience, man. Get a big boy.
Yo, don't feel we, you know, John.
Can never feel, man.
Okay. All right.
I want to put in a D-field.
In the people. Gone again.
No, man. Make that stay, man. I could have one big boy. Next time, knock it, man.
I come back, sir, Turbo. Say I come back, you know. Don't make him go on that column. On that bridge for you, brother. Watch your step, watch your step. Not see me yet. See me? Turbo, see me, sir, you know. Come down, come down.
Come down. Take up the liner, take up the liner.
Take up the line, take up the liner. See the people? Big boy, you know? Big boy that Turbo.
Take up the next liner. Take up the next liner.
When then?
That.
Come in, Turbo. Dry him out. See the people?
What my Turbo in there? Jack, Jack.
Where Jack them there? Listen to Jack.
Tarpon, you see? Big boy. See, killer, yeah? Hold them, Turbo. Hold them. Where's the Turbo? 60 pound?
Yo, tell him big.
For 60 pound?
Big more than that, man.
No man, it's about 80 pounds.
No, man, it's about 65 pound, man.
No man, not 80 pounds, man.
No, man, scale there.
That's why.
What you deal with? Nothing, brother. Yes, Turbo. The line is good, boss. Yo, boss man, you're not tired? Eh?
Yes, sir, you're right there.
Boss man, you're not tired?
I'm not most tired, man.
Oh.
You're right there. Right at the beginning,
Where are they? Between the crotch. In the people, come down to him. Meet in Jamaica. Hold him! Run the end of the Turbo. My butt up Turbo now. Seen the people? Butt up Turbo. But I got that. Feel it. Calm down, you know, boy. Whoa. The people. Big boy.
Go on, go along there, go ahead.
I want help on the hook him. Yeah, one guy for my car. Go for fast. One guy for my car. You say 30 pounds? About 65 pounds, Mr. Brother. That was 65 pounds that. Yo! In a more. Yeah. Watch it. Turbo. Control him, my brother. Watch you push them. Lead the fish, Turbo. Watch it.
Come in with it, come in with it.
Ah, no, hey, right on there. Hold him. Ah, drive up. Drive. Drive now, go there. Drive.
Killer. No boy. No way.
One Turbo.
No boy, no way.
One Turbo.
Me alone do them thing there, yeah? Believe in me.
No boy Turbo.
Look out them out.
When there?
Down there.
Fish dead. Thing do you know? Yeah, he got smooth. Smooth. He just, he goes
Yeah.
slide in like. Big boy, no? That's more than 65 pounds, wrong?
That's about 88 pounds, man.
Big boy Turbo.
That's a big, massive boy.
My brush 100? Who have scale? Nobody have a scale.
No boy, you tell me nothing, boy. Quick.
Man in broad. Broad.
Tell me more and more schooling.
Yo, that's too easy, brother. People, even an inch of blood with a jam for the fish. All the people. So stay tuned. Big up one thing, China. I'll do them the day about the line is good, boss.
Remember, boy.
Listen, Turbo line is good.
We're doing it. One broke, you let them see it. One broke, Put him down, I'm going to take his specs. I'm going to take his specs, people. Check his specs. Oh, good. Check his specs.
Where is it? One Turbo.
Line is good, boss. Who is that guy? One Hawny Dawg.
Two teacher me have. One, and Tasmati. Big up yourself, bro. No there. Big up yourself. Sorry, there, no people. Sorry, there, my bro. Sorry, there,
We do it.
So I go on. But we do it, you know. We do it.
Tarpon. I guess the crocodile is crocodile.
Crocodile.
Never had that name before.
Very scary, man. Very scary, man. Very scary.
Yes, yeah, give me respect, John. Yes. One go.
Really?
Yes, one team. One team.
One team, alright.
That is it, my boss.
No, the first I ever see one. First I ever see one. So
I said, man, the first one to be.
Come on, 100 plus.
Look at that. I think this is gonna be the biggest fish
For the year.
for the year. I already teach our panning channel.
We're not sure.
Biggest.
Which I don't know.
Year, yeah.
Half a year.
Chinaman won that last year. Chinaman won the same size as this man.
And the last year, what's the day of that?
Yeah, be on that.
Very wonderful day. The whole team active. Me paid man them, man them. Them a work. But you see the dog, no man.
I saw it done.
Every line run, the man them up there. Baya work. John a work. Tarpon a work. I mean, I tell you, say people, all new man catch one. But when I don't remember, that's Marty. Like, share, subscribe. If your boss not there, when I don't know, me have a fill up space and me have to make it active. Big up on yourself. I remember Hawny Dawg Wildlife. Go over there, subscribe, and I don't know, one team, one gym, the whole way under one umbrella. Big up John at Fishing Adventures, the whole way, Nigel, Yaman TV, Cameron, everybody just know the ball game. One team, one dream.
One.